Hey guys, Brad Ebel here with Diverse Dimensions. I'm here today at Christensen Fiberglass, and today I wanted to cover how to make a level plane using a tracker. Now on PolyWorks it's really easy, so I'm just going to get right into it. So here I have my PolyWorks inspector window open. I'm already connected to my tracker, which today I'm using the API, love it. Now along the bottom I get several buttons as to options. Very simply over here, I get my gravity option here. Now if I click on that little down arrow to the right, I'm able to orient to gravity. So if I give that a click, you'll notice that the tracker starts moving. It is really important not to touch the tracker, move the SMR during this operation, as well as specific to this tracker, it needs to be, your setup, your tripod setup needs to be plus minus 2 degrees. And API has given us a level that we can place on the tracker to do that. So I'm going to give that a click. I'm going to select yes on this. And now the tracker is going to move. This takes a couple of minutes, maybe even just a minute to do. And then once it reconnects back to the SMR, we know that our tracker is ready to go. This is a really good time to get the phone out, check the Facebook feed, check your emails, you know, anything like that. This is just an awesome time. But if you have somebody, you know, going down your neck, just say, hey, got the progress bar up, still warming up, be patient. All right, now the tracker has finished its operation, but you'll notice nothing appears within your 3D scene or your tree view. That's normal. So there's many different methods used to level a machine. Some people like to create features or measure features first. There's a variety of different ways, and we don't have to get into that today. But when you are ready to import your level plane, all you have to do is navigate back down to the same button here and then select Create Level Plane. And what that does is it allows you to import that plane to measure to within your 3D scene as well as tree view. Another thing to keep in mind is that there is no measured data points associated with this plane, even though it does show a measured value in your tree view. So that may be tricky for some, but again, we don't have to get into that today, but maybe in a future video we'll cover that a little bit more in detail. If there's anything else that you guys have in mind that we should be doing as far as videos, please email us at training@diversedimensions.com, or we can also come onto your site and do a more personalized training with you and your staff. Some people find that useful, as they are able to cover things that they run into on a day-to-day basis. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.